The number one mistake small business owners make is pricing their products incorrectly. Also, they don't really know what the profit is they make per product. So I've created a spreadsheet that will help small business owners calculate their profits correctly and help them price correctly. So let's go into it. Okay, so on this sheet I created is to calculate the profit of your product and to know how to price your products correctly to make a profit at the end of the day. So yeah, you will see the sales price per unit. So if you are VAT registered, you put your sales price excluding VAT in this green block here. But if you are not VAT registered, you put your total selling price per unit in here. So let's assume we are selling our product for 200 Rand. So then we go and fill in variable costs per unit. So let's say we buy our product for 50 Rand. We pay a commission for our salesperson, 10 Rand per unit. And we put the product in a box for shipping purposes. We pay 10 Rand per unit. So that means our total variable cost per unit is 70 Rand. So taking the 200 Rand selling price minus 70 Rand cost, your gross profit will be 130 Rand per unit. But to calculate your net profit per unit, you have monthly expenses that you need to take into account. So that's where the fixed costs come in. So let's say you pay bank charges of 200 Rand, you pay advertising for 1,000 Rand, and you want to pay yourself a salary of 10,000. That means your total fixed cost per month is 11,200. So for us to be able to calculate the fixed cost per unit, we need to put in a number of units that we want to sell. So let's go to the top and say we want to sell 50 products in a month. That means our total sales is 10,000 Rand a month. But you will see then our fixed cost is more than what we make if we sell the 50 products. So we have a loss per product, 94 Rand, or a 4,700 Rand loss a month. So which means the break-even point that is also calculated at the bottom means you have to at least sell 86 products so that you can start making profit for anything above this number. So let's say we put in 86 products. Then we will see we still have a loss of 23 cents per unit, which means let's say we want to sell 150 products per month. Then we will start making profit of 55 Rand a unit, which is 8,300 a month. So to break this down even further, you can go to the second sheet, which is the break-even analysis, where we can fill in different number of products here in the top. This is just a guideline to have a different scenario of each. So let's say you have a 50 products, you sell 50 products a month, you will have a loss of 4,700. If you sell 100 products a month, you will start making profit of 1,800. 150 products, you will make a profit of 8,300 and so forth. So the more products you sell, the more profit you will make because you take into account your fixed cost, which is also part of your expenses every month. That will help you actually price your product better because the most mistakes people make is they take the amount they sell the product for and just deduct the cost and they say, oh, I'll make 130 Rand profit. But actually, you're only making 55 Rand profit because of all these expenses. Thank you for watching. My name is Sydney. I'm your behind the scenes business partner. If you need this spreadsheet, click on my link in my bio and also see the services that I offer to small business owners.